Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. This is Kim After 50. On this channel, I just basically share my life and what that looks like after 50. My life got flipped upside down, turned inside out, all the things. At 50, I got divorced, realized I really needed to lose weight because I had gained quite a bit of weight during the separation period, the period that I call the life quake, when the life quake happened, and also needing to get my financial house in order because I am a single woman now. So many changes, but I share all of that with you while doing lots and lots of travel. It was never intended, but this kind of has become a travel channel. I just got back from a 6-day cruise on Carnival Vista. I want to come and share with you all 10 Amazon items that I used on my cruise. I cruise a lot. And so, we do a lot of hauls of things, right? We buy a lot of things. It's not until after that we find out if they're actually useful and if they were worth the purchase. So these 10 items, I actually think it's 11. It's 11. These 11 items are tried and true and things that I use on most, if not all of my cruises. And so I'm going to share them with you. The links will be in the description box if you see something that you need to have. A couple of these items were gifts to me, but I was able to find them on Amazon. And so those links will be in the description box. Also, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and hype the video. I would appreciate it so much. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with this first, which is a tumbler. This was a gift to me from a friend of mine, has my initial on it. I will share, I was able to find this, so I will share the link to it, but you don't need a particular tumbler, just bring a tumbler. And another video, which I will also link to, and if I can figure out how to, I'll put the card right here. I shared a collapsible water bottle that I also take, but I did not bring that on here because I didn't want this whole video to just be a repeat of the last video. But I wanted to bring this one because on that video and in several videos I mentioned bringing your own water bottle, your own tumbler. Don't bring a Stanley that you might leave. On our cruise prior to the one we just got back from, which was last month on Royal Caribbean, Bianca left her Stanley on the cruise ship. So I wanted to remind you all again, just get a cheapy tumbler, water bottle, bring that with you on the cruise. So I'll link to this one. It has my initial on it. It was a gift from a good friend of mine last year. Thank you, girl. So that's going to be item number 1. So I do have 11 items. The next item is this. Everything else is in here, and I put everything else in here because I wanted you to see how big this is. But I searched for plus size crossbody bag or something like that, because I had another one crossbody bag and it just wasn't comfortable for me because it wasn't big enough, because I needed it to be a little bit bigger. And so I searched plus size and I came across this one a few months ago, and it is so spacious. It is adjustable and gives me plenty of room, and I can fit so much in here. I'm not even using all of the pockets. As you can see, the side pockets are empty. There's nothing in here. It has the little hole so that you can have your headphones in there. There's a pocket right here. I do have something in this pocket. I have a couple things in that pocket. There's a pocket right here, and then you open it up and there are multiple pockets inside. So much can fit in here. It is so comfortable. And I don't use it every day on a cruise because some days I don't need this much room. I have another little Coach crossbody that I carry when I just, only need to carry a few things. But on the days like port days or days where I just need a lot of things, I bring this with me. I bring this with me for embarkation, and it can have a whole outfit in here along with my travel documents and all those kind of things. So this crossbody, which I will link to, so spacious, so comfortable. I love it. So everything else I'm showing you is inside of this bag, just to show you how much room there is in the bag. There's one thing that's not in the bag, and that's because I can't find it, but I'll post a picture right here, and they are laundry detergent sheets. And so I take those when I travel because, first of all, I don't even know if you can, but who wants to jug around liquid laundry detergent? They're laundry detergent sheets. They come in handy, especially if you're traveling with children. They can be messy. On this cruise, my daughter had to do laundry one day. Many of the ships have laundry facilities on the ships, but laundry detergent sheets, again, post the picture here for you to see those. I can't find them, so they're not in the bag. That's why we have 11 items, because I totally forgot about that. But I wanted to make sure I shared those with you all, because I showed them to somebody else and she didn't know they existed. And so I want to make sure I give y'all the goods. So, all right. So we did item number 1, number 2. The laundry detergent sheets are number 3. So item number 4, travel silverware. I got 2 because one of these is brand new. The other one is the one that I travel with. So I wanted to show you a complete set, but it comes with a knife, your fork, a spoon, a couple different straws. There's one straw. I've never used these, but it comes with chopsticks. It comes with your straw cleaner. It comes with portable like salt and pepper shakers. I carried Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning. I'm not sure if it's Cajun or Creole seasoning. Something I got in New Orleans. And some pepper. So it just zips up. But I also have a brand new one, and so I can see what's in this one, because I'm sure I have misplaced some things along the way. Oh yeah, I took the knives out because these are pretty sharp knives, and I wasn't sure if I could get through like security with knives. So I took the knives out of the one that I carry, but you get knives, like a steak knife, a straw. You get a couple different straws. Here's your knife protector thingy. Yeah, so that looks like about it. So it looks like the only thing I was missing was the knives in my set. You do have a little side pocket. This feels like a waterproof material. These were not very expensive. And I have multiples of these because I gave them as gifts 1 year. So I've had these for a couple years. Number 5 is this first aid kit. I have put together my own first aid kits from Dollar Tree many times and replenished that kit. But this was on sale on Amazon, and I did the numbers. And I just got this a couple months ago. I did the numbers, and I could not have put this set together for less than what it costs on Amazon. So many things come in here. Bandages. Maya needed bandages on this cruise. An emergency blanket. Medical tape. I'm not sure what, maybe so that you can, like, what is it called? A tourniquet? I'm not sure what that is. It's like a plastic strip. Not me having a first aid kit, but don't know what to do with the stuff that's in the first aid kit. Whatever this is. I might need to go through my little first aid kit to make sure. Some gauze. A little handbook that shows you like how to do first aid and other maneuvers. Some teeny tiny scissors, all kinds of stuff. Safety pins, just all kinds of stuff. I come in here. It's really jam-packed. We needed this kit on this cruise and the last cruise. No, on the cruise we took in July. there were some kids in the hallway and one of the kids got hurt and Bianca had to run out and help them. They were bleeding, and so Bianca had to run out and help them. This time Maya just needed some bandages for blisters. So a first aid kit, always great to travel with. Next up, we have a fan. It has adjustable speeds. USB charged. You can set it on your nightstand or carry it. Girl, listen. A fan always comes in handy. I like to have a fan just for when I'm sleeping. It can go right on the nightstand. It's pink, it's cute, and not expensive at all, and really handy to have. So a fan packs away just like that. And it did have and I do still have it, I just didn't put it in this bag, a little strap that you can attach to it if you wanted to wear it. Y'all know we sailed during a hurricane. We were sailing during Hurricane Melissa for this cruise. I showed y'all this before, but I had to show it again because, again, we sailed during a hurricane. This is like a rain bonnet to protect your hair. Of course, we had umbrellas as well, but this is a rain bonnet to protect your hair. And it has the little visor, silk interior, and it has the little pouch to carry it in. So I just had, and it is adjustable. It is adjustable. Elastic adjustable. So that's another handy dandy item that I think every woman should have. Next up, this is a gift. This item was also a gift from Bianca, actually. A little traveling pharmacy. So when you get it, it has all kinds of different stickers for all kinds of different medicine. You put the medicines that you want in here. And each compartment opens up. So like Pepto, and your little Pepto is in there. Dramamine, and your little Dramamine is in there. So absolutely so handy. I actually carry this in my purse when I'm not traveling. And I've thought about getting a second one because Bianca put this one together and she put these stickers on. It was the sweetest gift. Don't you love when a person knows you and they're trying to encourage you to follow your dreams and they gift you something related to that? So last year, I think for my birthday or Christmas, which was right after I kicked off my year of cruising, Bianca gave me this. And she picked the stickers and she filled the medicines in it for the original time. I love it. And again, not very expensive. In between traveling, it just goes in my purse. This item was also a gift from a friend, and I think she gave it to me for the same reason. Because I got it, I think, last year for Christmas. No, I got it for Valentine's Day. Galentine's Day. I got it for Galentine's Day. So these are little jewelry pouches. This one is zippered. And then there are the larger ones that open and close like that. So they're like a velvety material. And they can hold quite a bit. Even some larger pieces, like that necklace is a larger piece. They can hold some larger pieces in them. Super handy. Next up is Downy Wrinkle Release. Love, love, love. Self-explanatory. You're not going to come out looking like you ironed it, but it'll help. If your clothes are really, really wrinkled, you just spray them and this is what I do. I spray them and then I just pull the clothes like this. and hold it for a few seconds and then let it go. So Downy Wrinkle Release. In the small, I guess this would probably be a travel size bottle. It says spray, smooth, and go. I think that's what you're actually supposed to do. Spray it and then smooth it out with your hands and then put it on. That's not what I do. I put the item on myself, I spray it, and then I pull it out and then hold it for a few seconds and let it go. All right, I showed you this. I did a Dollar Tree short the other day on Dollar Tree items we actually use, and I showed this item to you on there also, but I'm showing it to you on here because I mentioned in that video I also order these from Amazon and I purchased them at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, you have to get the individual flavors, and they don't always have all the flavors, but you get the individual flavors and you mix and match. On Amazon, they have the variety pack of these Margaritaville water flavor enhancers. So this is strawberry daiquiri. I also grabbed a Caribbean fruit punch to show you. They also have a margarita flavor and a pina colada flavor. And when you get the variety pack on Amazon, it comes with all 4 flavors. I love these for a cruise. And then my final item is are these mini journaling, not mini Bibles. They're individual books of the Bible. This is ESV translation. I don't honestly know whether they come in other translations, but I do Bible study. I try to do it every single day, or at least Bible reading I try to do it every single day. And instead of packing my big Bible, I just take the book that I'm studying. And so this is 1 John, what is this? This is 1st through 3rd John. This is 1st through 3rd John. I love these little journaling Bibles because here's the scripture and you get a whole blank page to take notes. If you have more notes than space, I always just tape an extra page in. But it is the entire book. This one has 3 books because they're so tiny. But like if you got Matthew, you would just get Matthew. You know what I'm saying? If you get Genesis, you would just get Genesis. So these are great because look how thin they are. Look how thin they are. They don't take up much space. And again, I said this earlier today. I started a Bible reading group on Facebook. And I said this earlier today in that group. If I lost any one of my personal Bibles, I would be devastated because they are so personal. There are so many prayers in them and so many notes from different times in my life and so many they represent my walk with God. You know what I mean? For years. And I would just be devastated if I lost one of those. I would not want to lose this either, but it just wouldn't carry the same level of grief. I would grieve if I lost one of my other Bibles. But also they just are space savers. They don't take up much space, and you can have your scriptures with you. I'm studying 1 John right now, and this is 1st through 3rd John. So I was just able to drop that in my suitcase and take it with me. So those are things that I took on my cruise. I took lots of other things on my cruise. But I wanted to pick 10 things. I think I actually showed y'all 12. I have to go back and count because I stopped counting. I wanted to show you just 10 things that I took on my cruise, that I take on most cruises, that I think are worth every penny that they cost, even though all of these are a very nominal cost, that I get so much use out of, that I have used over and over and over and over again. So if you want to look at any of these, check them out. I will link them all in the description box. Do me a favor and drop your favorite must-pack cruise item in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all on the next video. Hopefully one day at sea or somewhere else in this big, beautiful world. Bye-bye.